Good morning, everyone. Here's my tip to start with your fresh day. Starting with an exercise is a powerful move in boosting both physical and mental well being. Whether you start your day in the exercise nearby your neighborhood and jog a little into your local park, and moving your body, it helps your joints and muscle move. You know, when there is movement, there is motion. It can help increases your blood flow into your body. Yeah. You used to exercise daily. Yeah, it improves your blood flow. And if you are a diabetes or you're a diabetic person, at least you must exercise every day to lower your blood sugar. And also, if you're a high blood person, at least you exercise every day. Nobody can help you except yourself. A daily exercise is good for your health. That is the doctor said. You must go on exercise even 45 minutes in a day. Okay? And I